Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to install Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free in your laptop as well as your desktop. Yes, it is a beautiful option. Windows has released officially Windows 11 on October 5th. So you can upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. It is absolutely 100% free. So what is the procedure, how to access? Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just browse Chrome browser and I just want to check a minimum requirement for installing Windows 11. For example, if you want to install Windows 11, you need to have some system requirements so that you can able to get Windows 11. So what you have to do, download PC Health Checker. It is a free application, so it is came from Microsoft.com itself. So I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the Microsoft Windows PC Health Checker. So once you download this one, so automatically the exe file will be downloaded for the health checker. Once you select the health checker, it will ask to run the program. So once you run the program, so it will has the time to run your program. So just click accept and install. So once you install everything, your status will be displayed over there from the Microsoft. So itself it will check whether your hardware is healthy, correct, so you can upgrade your Windows 11 from Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 8. It is a beautiful option. Yes, my PC Health Checker is installed. I just click a finish. So once I click finish, automatically I can able to check my PC health glance. For example, introducing Windows 11, so I can able to check out so whether I can able to update my Windows 11 for my PC or laptop. So you can able to check what is your PC upgrade RAM and SSD or disk or which year old. Everything will be displayed over here, so you can check out from that. So see the result. For example, this PC meets Windows level requirements. For example, if you want to check everything so that you can eligible to update your Windows 10 to Windows 11, so you have to check your PC Health Checker. It's a beautiful option. Otherwise you can check here, see minimum system requirements. So once you see this minimum requirement, if you have a minimum requirement of your system, means your laptop, means for example, if you have a minimum 4 GB RAM in your laptop or system and 1 GHz for processor is there, means storage is 64 GB also enough for Windows 11. If you are satisfied with that, you are eligible to attend Windows 11. So upgrade Windows 11 from Windows 7 to Windows 11, Windows 8 to everything, you can able to do that. For example, some sad news has happened. Your system requirement is not satisfied with Windows 11, means you can use Windows 10 till October 2025. It is a beautiful option they have given. So they increased the time limit 5 years. They increased it around the Windows 10, that is Microsoft will support Windows 10 till 2025. You need to upgrade Windows 11 before that. So please update your requirements so that you can eligible to update your Windows 11 from Windows 10 or Windows 7 to Windows 8. Everything you can update new software way. Yes, now how to upgrade, how to install previous Windows 10 to Windows 11 from your PC or laptop. It is a beautiful option where given there. So just go to start menu and search a setting option. So there is a setting option. So once you select the setting option, there are the options. There is Windows, OneDrive, Windows Update, Rewards and Web Browsing is there. Just select Windows Update. Yesterday they have released. Yes, so you are up to date. Last check on today 7/14. There is option feature to update to Windows 10 version to 21H1, that is Windows 11. So if you want to download and install, just select the download and install. Automatically you can eligible to download and install your application so that you can update your PC and you can download your OS and you can install for the Windows 11. It is a beautiful option. You can get that option to upgrade your Windows 10 or Windows 7 to 11, Windows 8 to 11, Windows 10 to 11. It is a beautiful option. It is a beautiful tips from the Microsoft itself, automatically they can give. So as you see here, so status is downloading, so it will be more into the percentage ways you can get your Windows 11. Automatically it will upgrade in your laptop and PC. Just check the availability and update that. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.